Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we're going to discuss how maintaining good relationship with your suppliers can reap major rewards for our business. And we know who suppliers are, right? Suppliers are the providers of our raw materials, the very source that businesses require to produce the products that they're going to eventually sell for the profit. So this is where the whole production process begins, and without the timely and accurate delivery of supplies, no business can achieve their own targets. So, making sure that you have a proper supplier relationship management program in place is critical to having an efficient production process. Now, what is a supplier relationship management program? It is simply a system in place to see how these suppliers are contributing to the overall success of a business, and how the suppliers can contribute to the success is by being a long-term supplier. Businesses don't want to change and have new deals with new suppliers with every new season. They want a well settled supplier who knows exactly what the businesses want. So businesses would want a long term relationship. Not only that, they will also require convenience to be provided. So, delivery to be provided on time, accurately, perhaps data to be shared, maybe collaboration at the just in time levels, and ERP installations. So, if you're convenient, if your suppliers are convenient for you, then you will continue to provide them with business. And with more business will come more trust in the relationship. And that's what you want. You want to trust your suppliers to provide you the right product. And there are times that you do share company secrets in terms of how you're going to make your eventual product. So when you share that data, the trust level must be there that that data will not be shared with other rivals. And finally, with supplies, you demand accuracy. You have a tight deadline, project which needs to be completed, certain products that must be delivered. So, if you don't have the right raw materials in place on time, then you won't be able to meet your own targets. So, long term relationship, convenience, accuracy, and trust are the foundations of all good supplier relationships. So, what do businesses tend to gain from having good supplier relations? First of all, it's a very good way to reduce the cost of a business, because the more long term your suppliers are, the more trustworthy, the more accurate they are, and the more business that you do with them, the higher the chances are that they're going to offer you bulk discounts when you buy in large quantities. So, of course, that's something that's going to help you to reduce your cost and increase your profits. Additionally, good relations also mean that suppliers can trust that you're going to eventually pay, which means that they allow you extended credit periods, which allows you to delay your payments and retain cash in the business in case you need it. Lastly, with good relationships means you only need to deal with fewer suppliers, which makes the management of the entire process quite easy. Secondly, you can trust your suppliers over matters of secrecy. Now, these would be company secrets about the design of the final product, and with that level of trust is guaranteed that the company's secrets will be kept a secret and you continue to collaborate with your suppliers, then it provides you that competitive advantage that your knowledge is secure and your product is still going to be different from all the others. So, that will further strengthen the relationship between the business and the supplier. And finally, it gives you another chance to collaborate and innovate your products with suppliers who are happy to provide their data and who are happy to research for you in order to make your product, the business's product, better. More ideas for improving the quality and recent development can be done together to find newer, better products and trying to find better ways to make more money together.